How to make a t-shirt on Roblox Mobile. Full guide. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your own custom t-shirt in Roblox Mobile. First, open your mobile web browser and navigate to create.roblox.com to access the Roblox Creator Hub, if prompted. Provide your credentials and log in to your account. Then click on 3 bars at top left, click on Creations option, and click on Avatar Items. From here, head over to Option Classics. Under Filters, select the option of your choice, hit the Upload Asset button, where you'll give your t-shirt a name. For example, my new shirt. Once named, choose a design or image for your shirt. After selecting your image, simply click Upload. Once your custom t-shirt is uploaded, you can even put it up for sale. To do this, select the t-shirt, choose On Sale, and set your price. Remember, you'll need at least 10 Robux to sell the item on Roblox. After uploading, you can start wearing your new t-shirt by going back to the Roblox app. Head to the Customize section, then tap Clothing. Scroll to the right under Classic T-shirts, and your custom creation will be there. If it doesn't show up immediately, just tap it again until it appears. And that's it. You've successfully made your own custom t-shirt on Roblox Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.